Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking where data will live and why, choose a primary location and a redundant secondary. Once chosen, create a logical folder tree and a consistent naming rule so you can find files later. Make an initial baseline copy and enable versioning if available. This prevents accidental overwrite. Make sure permissions are set so you can access backups, and label external drives physically to avoid confusion. Now automate the heavy lifting. Schedule backups that match how often data changes. Use encryption for sensitive records and generate checksums to detect corruption. Once automated, configure sync tools to handle conflicts and to exclude temp or cache files to save space. Make sure alerts are enabled so you know when a job fails, and run an occasional manual backup to confirm automation behaves as expected. Finish by verifying. Perform a full restore to confirm backups are usable, and document the exact recovery steps so you, or someone else, can act quickly. Rotate storage media and retain an offsite copy for disaster resilience. Once done, set up monitoring and periodic reviews of access controls and retention rules. If a restore fails, check checksum logs and the most recent successful job. If corruption appears, revert to the last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.